What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And today we are going to show you how to use the Pangolin exchange on AVAX. All right, guys. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, talk about a couple of things, and be like, bruh, let's go ahead and get into this. So in this video, we're just going to show you guys how to use the Pangolin exchange and how to add AVAX to your MetaMask wallet. It is super easy to do. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So guys, let's go and get into it. Alright guys, so first we are going to start off with our MetaMask. We already got a MetaMask. So let's go ahead and add AVAX to this. So let's connect our wallet. It's super easy to do, guys. You actually just switch to the AVAX chain and you're allowed to add it to your MetaMask. So when I hit connect wallet, switch to AVAX, it will add it there. So I can go to my MetaMask and we're going to switch to this account and we're going to add it. So you guys, it automatically adds it for you. So I really like how some of them add the automatic click and all kinds of garbage in it. But yeah, now we're connected. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I already have some Pangolin tokens on here. I'm going to go ahead and add the contract address so you guys can see this. This is on the AVAX chain. If you're not on the AVAX chain, you got to get on there first. So I'm going to add my tokens. I already have some Pangolin tokens. So PNG, already got some 380. All right, so let's do this now. So now we are going to go to the pool. When we're at the pools, you can create a pair or add liquidity. We're going to go ahead and add liquidity, and we need to see the different pools. So we're going to hit new PNG before we select the pool that we want. And we need to take a look at the pools that we can add. So we can be like AVAX Pangolin, AVAX Link, AVAX Wrap BTC. There's so many different ones that you can do, but we're probably just going to do the AVAX Pangolin because I said so. But guys, be aware with things like this is there is such a thing as impermanent loss. I understand what I'm getting into on something like this. If you guys don't understand impermanent loss, please watch the video on impermanent loss so you guys can understand that. And make sure you don't do the old PNG pools. These are no longer like good. As you can see, they're getting 0% reward. So if you want to do that, have fun. And we're going to explain a couple numbers. I normally explain them on other videos, but I don't think we should ignore it anyways. But this earn up to basically means you're going to earn up to 15% per year. The pool rate right now is 106,098 PNG out of a total of 4,126,000 AVAX. So that's the total amount that's deposited. So that's the value in AVAX token. So right now it's basically just showing that it's 0.0257 PNG per week per AVAX. So if you deposit like 20 AVAX worth, you can just multiply that by the amount of PNG. And that's going to be the amount per week per AVAX. So right now we're going to provide liquidity. But first, we need to go get some more AVAX. I have some we need to go to the swap. I have some PNG tokens. So I'm going to swap my PNG tokens for some AVAX. So right now, I'm probably just going to say, let's do 150, and that will be a good swap. So first I need to approve the PNG, and it's going to cost me some AVAX to do this. We're going to hit confirm, and we are going to sign this transaction in my wallet. And now we wait. It's not crazy long. It should take a couple of seconds. But anyways. Alright, so the transaction was confirmed. So now we are going to go to the swap. Approved on the C chain. And now we're going to hit swap. Guys, if you don't know how to get on the Avalanche chain, I made a full video on it about a month ago. If you just check out my channel, how to use the Avalanche bridge, that'll pull up for you. So it's a lot easier. Probably going to do 160 on this joker. Just because we're wasting money on these gas fees anyway. So we're going to hit swap. And we're going to pay this gas fee. You can't really adjust the gas fees on this network, which kind of stinks, but hey, it is what it is. They have it set at 225. Alright, so now we got some AVAX and Pangolin. Now our next step is to add liquidity. So we are going to go to the pool and we're going to hit add liquidity and we're going to do AVAX and PNG since these are the tokens that I have. I'm going to max out the AVAX. Don't do all of your tokens, guys, because you need to have some gas fees. So we're going to hit supply. While we're waiting on that to confirm, I want to explain a couple things to you. Right now, it's providing 50-50 liquidity. That's why it's 17 and 161. It automatically adds it in based on the prices. So based on the prices, it basically says there's going to be 9.52 PNG per AVAX and then 0.1 AVAX per PNG. And this shows my share of the pool is going to be less than 1%. So I'm going to be getting these LP tokens, and it says by adding liquidity, you'll earn 0.3% of all trades in this pair proportional to the share of your pool. And then the fees are added to the pool, and you get the interest, and it's going to be paid in Pangolin tokens. All right, so now we got our tokens, and we winning. I like Chuck E. Cheese. Guys, have you ever been to Chuck E. Cheese? I remember shooting on them hoops. Those are fun. I used to dunk. And, oh, dude, remember skee ball? I used to, like, walk up the tracks and then, like, dunk it in, like, the 1,000 ball. Dude, like, the guys would get so mad. That was, like, when I was, 22 years old. But, hey, it is what it is. Just kidding. All right, so we're going to take our tokens and we're going to deposit our PGL tokens, which are our, you know what I mean. They're the tokens that are just like gangbusters. They're our liquidity tokens. So we just hit approve. We got to approve this on, well, I got to do it on my ledger because I have this on my ledger. Sign message, bum bum. Now we're going to hit deposit. Now we're going to waste some gas because we like to make it stink in the room. And now we're going to confirm this transaction. Bomb, bomb. Waste this avalanche. Yeah, yeah. All right, so now we just wasted some avalanche. We deposited our PNG, and now we're earning rewards. So, yeah, that's really all you do, guys. I don't like it as much as Polygon. Some people were asking me to do a quick video on this, and that's really how you do it. You can see your pool rate. I'm probably going to need to refresh the page because the transaction just went through. But, yeah, so here's my liquidity deposits, and when you withdraw the contract, will auto-magically, I love it, auto-magically claim PNG on your behalf. I love it, man. You can also choose to claim your own PNG as well. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, this is where the claim button shows up. It just randomly showed up because we got money. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. And one other thing I want to show you guys is the pools, so you guys can just take a look at it. If you don't know what Pangolin is, it's basically the OG swap for Avalanche, and Avalanche is the one that supports it. And these are the main tokens that they got going on over here. Anyways, guys, those three things plus the fourth one, which is leave a comment below saying you subscribed. And guys, we are signing off. We'll see you in the next one, and we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-line. Proverbs chapter 23 verses 12. Apply your heart to instruction and your ears to words of knowledge. You got it, big dog. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Skybbot, Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP. PJ. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb, bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.